This is Mark the Meerkat with the trade of the day here from Grok Trade and the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. This is on a red hat RHT. It was at opening and it pulled down and it was starting to low base. You want to know more about a low base, just go to our site freeonlinetradingeducation.com and you can read about it in our free chart school. But listen, it's low basing here, so I'm getting ready to set a trade on this one, and it'd been up big because of a analyst had upgraded it, and it fell down here. So now I have to use this point, this 162.50. It's got to break that in order for me to have the odds in my favor. So I set a trade right here, and then what happened next? Bam, there it goes. I'm in at 162.23. I am short on Red Hat RHT. Now we're going to go ahead and set a stop up here, right up here above this 160. 250 area, which was support here, support. So that's a shield now for my stop, and that's a less than a 1% stop, very tight here. So let's see what happens next here. I'll let low basing again here at 161.50. Now it starts to drop 160 here. It's based there for just briefly. I'm going to bring my stop down. I'm going to start now in the money, just below the 162 area. So I'm in the money now, zero risk in the trade. Boy, I love it when that happens. And now we're going to have we're going to follow this 20 moving average down here as we start to move down on this here. And now it's starting to stall here a little bit, and pulled back up. Yeah, I see I kept my stop here just above the 160, following this 20 moving average down. Came up, and now it's starting to fall again. I'll keep bringing this down a little bit. And here it is, a pivot line showing up down here, and it's basing here near this pivot line. Now I finally look at that right here on the pivot line itself. Again, pivot lines are for intraday trading only. It's based on the prior day's price action. Look at basing here, longest time here, just at the 158 and the pivot line. So I went ahead and I set an order. When it dipped just below 158, I got out half at 157.96 for 2.6% on that first half. Now I'm going to keep bringing my stop down here, following this 20 moving average now in the second half of mine. If you bust above that 20 moving average, I want to be out. And so let's see what it did. Oh, there, right there, it popped up. You see where it hit me? It got me out right as it broke that 20 moving average there at 158.58 for 2.2% on the second half. So let's take a look at this trade. We were low basing here, and then it broke down here and was starting to form another low base. I got in when it broke that level of support, and then I just managed my stop. Again, getting in is important, but the most important part is getting out at the right place. Followed it down here when it was basing for a long time at a major area of support, the pivot line. I took out half, and I kept managing my stop above that 20 moving average, and as soon as it broke above it, I was out. And I'm glad I was out. Sure enough, what did it do? Yeah, it started to run back up. I'm glad that I was out there. And so this total trade was for 2.4% in 39 minutes. Now this was just one of 10 trades that we made today in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, and here's our actual results here. It was trade number 2 is the one I just showed you. It was the biggest trade of the day, but look at this. This is, letting our winners run. We had 4 income trades in a row there. Then I had 4 expense trades in a row. But look at it. The biggest expense trade was minus 0.6%. So just a 50% day in the room, and we ended up with a net of 2.6%. We add that to yesterday. We had 13% yesterday on call trades. So for the week, we're at 15%, almost to our target of 20 for this 4-day trading week. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat. If you'd like to join us in the day trading chat room, you can. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. Learn more, make more. And right down here, we can learn about our mentorship program, or go to the day trading chat room and just hit that, and it'll take you right to the day trading chat room page where we have a free webinar here. You can take this free webinar right there. See it? It's on how to win at day trading, and about a 45-minute presentation, give you a few secrets about day trading and an opportunity to join our room at an extremely low discounted price for an annual membership. Or you can just come right down here. You don't have to go to the webinar. Join now, and you can do it monthly, and cancel at any time on your monthly. And for the next cycle. Either way you go, it's 7 days risk-free. Join us for 7 days. Hey, if it helps you with your trading, stay with us. If not, it was good having you. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that beginning traders focus their energy on the entry of the trade. Consistent winning traders focus most of their energy on the exit, because that is where the money is. Trade well, and may your winners run.